Hi, I'm Dr. Kenneth R. Hamilton, Superintendent of the Mount Vernon City School District. And I'm actually recording this from Mount Vernon High School today, where we just had an amazing Unity Day in our community, where members of our community, clergy, parents, politicians, officials, came through to show their support to our staff and to our students. We are really working very hard to help our students get reacclimated and to make up for lost time as a result of COVID. On Monday, November 22nd, is National Stop the Violence Day. It is imperative that we come together as a community and recognize our collective responsibility to help make our environment safe and to teach our children the basic values of peace, harmony, collaboration, and how to resolve conflict in a nonviolent way. So I'm reaching out to the entire community and asking for your help. A lot of times our students are having conflict about information that they see and experience on social media. I am really begging, I'm pleading with our parent community to please monitor what your children are doing. Pay attention to what they watch on television, pay attention to their social media, and pay attention to the videos that sometimes provide a place and space for our students to experience things that are not necessarily age appropriate or content appropriate. And as much as we try as a school, we cannot do it alone. Our teachers are well prepared, we're working with our families, we're teaching our children social and emotional learning, but schools must be an extension of home, and home must be an extension of school. And in order for us to be successful as educators, our parents, our clergy, and members of our community have to come together and help us help our children. We are seeing an uptick in violence all across the nation. COVID has had implications beyond imagination, and our children have missed out on an important year of socialization. And it's imperative that we try to compensate for that. And in order to do that, it's going to take all of us. So yes, our children are our most valuable assets. And together we can save our future, we can save our community, and we can put our children on a trajectory of increased success where they take advantage of opportunities that are available to them and not be blindsided by conflict and issues that are just passing and will soon be over. So I am reaching out today. I want to thank all of you for your support. I want to thank those of you who came through, those of you who pledged your support even though you may not have been able to attend. And please help us in the message on National Anti-Violence Day that every life matters in our community and we can save our children by working together, and most importantly, by giving them the message about their value, the power of their voice, and how unity can save the community. Thank you.